guys, this is Keep It Simple here. I'm going to show you about the kid microscope. Let's talk about it now. Let's see what it is. Also, the mention I forgot. The objective lenses are actually 100x, 400x, and 1200x. Each magnification. The small one is like the 100x, and the big one is like 1200x, and then the medium one is like the 400x. I totally forgot to explain to you that. This right here, right there, this is the 1200x. This and below it is the 400x, and the small one over that side is the 100x. Now here we have the objective lenses. We have 5 of them. 1, 2, 3. You have 5 of them. One is already given. Like this, like a cat, yellow white cat hair. And this is actually labels for the these things, microscopic slides, labeled for them. So yeah, and then this like a holder for the labels. And we can also put it on the test tubes too. So put them on the test tubes too. We can also put the labels on the test tubes. And we have a pair of it's called tweezers. I call them as tweezers, but they're also called I forgot the name. Let me look. 1 second. Give me 1 second. It's called forceps. Yes, forceps. It's called forceps. And they're called forceps. They look like this, and then like this. It's not like a bendable thing, like this. It expands, it diverges, like this. And now, the last but not the least, we have the 2 test tubes. We only have 2 test tubes here. We only have 2 test tubes, and that test tube went right there. Let me get it. Okay. Oops, it went right there. Okay. Where are you going, bro? Okay. Okay, we have 2 test tubes now. And with these test tubes, we can put on the control. They're actually called control test tubes. You can put anything on there, and like if you want to test test tubes, right? I bet you do. I'll put a video, like after this it's going to be the video, like the PowerPoint presentation. I'll explain everything in detail, okay? And see you at the present point then.